Okay, so here we go. We are at a, well, it doesn't really matter, but we're at overhead garage door here. This is where I see it the most, but when we have, like, when we wrap the wood here, which we see all the time with the aluminum, to make it look all nice and pretty and neat, that serves two purposes. But a lot of times I see it done incorrectly, where they just wrap it to make it look pretty, except they don't take the top edge of it, like in this case, and put it up behind the siding, so it's almost like a Z flashing. So it's where it's up behind the siding, it comes out over the wood and then down over right here. So any rain, it's gonna hit that the flashing, and it's gonna run out. And what happens is, I'll show you, like here, you can see that where they just extend it back underneath the J channel in this case. And on this particular house, this is facing south and we're out in the country, so of course there's going to be wind-driven rains and stuff. And so what happens is, since that flashing doesn't extend up behind the siding, it gets in here, and then it gets trapped in here because there's nowhere for it to go. And so of course it rots out the wood, and of course in this case we have some rotten wood here. Let's see if I can, yeah, you can see a chunk of it right there. It's just, yeah, I mean, it's mush, it's toast, and that's what happens. And like I said, I see this all the time. I just just try to take shortcuts instead of getting it done right. But yeah, that flashing should go up and behind the house wrap there. So any water, like I said, it's going to get diverted out instead of just getting trapped, and that's exactly what happens. So yeah, that's something you can check in your own house. Pretty easy to check yourself. Just kind of what I did, and lift the J channel up. Might have to pry it up a little bit, and you can see if there's anything going on there. Now, if you're not facing, rain and it's close to the soffit, you might not see anything, and there might not be any issues. You might be able to just get away with caulking it, but you just never know. But it's just not a good practice. And yeah, just wanted to share that with you today. And if you have any questions or anything or comments, leave them below, and appreciate you watching.